Question is y minus 2 is equal to x की power 5. So find the number of tangents to this curve drawn from the 2, 2. Okay, so you have to find the number of tangents to this curve drawn from 2, 2. Let this is the curve and I am drawing the tangent from 2, 2. And let's suppose this is the point of contact as P. You can consider P as t, 2 plus t की power 5. Okay, and at derivative at this point, derivative at point P will represent the slope of the tangent at P. So find derivative, dy by dx is equal to 5t की power 4 at a point P. At a point P, this will come out 5t की power 4. Okay, and this will equals to slope of the tangent, and slope of tangent can also be written as 2 plus t की power 5 minus 2 upon t minus 2, means y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So this will 5t की power 4 is equal to t की power 5 upon t minus 2. This is 5t की power 5 minus 10t की power 4 is equal to t की power 5, and 4t की power 5 is equal to 10t की power 4. So finally you can take common 2t की power 4 and 2t minus 5 is equal to 0. So finally t will come out 0 and 5. So there are two values of t. Accordingly, 2 points are possible. 2 point contact are possible. So situation will be like, let this is the curve and this is the point P2, 2. So one tangent is like this and one tangent is like this, because there are 2 points of contact. For t is equal to 0, that point is 2, 2, and for t is equal to 5 by 2, this point acts as a 5 by 2, 2 plus 5 by 2 की power 5. So there are 2 tangents. Okay, number of tangents निकालना था, वो कितना रहा? 2. Okay. Okay, so next one is, if the normal at a point 3t, 4 by t on the curve xy is equal to 12. देखो, on the curve xy is equal to 12. There is a point 3t, 4 by t, and there is a normal at this point that this is xy is equal to 12. We are just drawing a rough graph, and this is the normal. This is the normal at a point P, 3t, 4 by t. 4 by t. Okay. So this normal is cutting again this curve at another point. तो ग्राफ लेट के मैंने कुछ ग्राफ इस तरीके से लिया है. लेट इस पॉइंट पर हमने नॉर्मल खींचा, and this is the function curve, 3t, 4 by t. This is the point P, and normal at a point P is cutting curve again at a point Q, and this is 3t1, 4 by t, and you have to find t1 in terms of t, and this is a normal at a point P. Okay, this is curve at xy is equal to 12, and we are just drawing a roughly graph. Okay, so find the slope of the normal. First find the derivative of this curve. So x y dash plus y is equal to 0, then y dash is equal to minus y upon x, and dy by dx at a point P is what? Minus 4 by t into 3t. It will come out minus 4 by 3t square. minus 4 upon 3t square is the slope of the tangent at point P. But we are talking about the normal. So slope of normal at point P, slope of normal at a point P is equal to 3t square by 4. Okay, and 3t square by 4 is the slope of normal, the slope of PQ, and slope of PQ can be written as y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So 4 upon t1 minus 4 by t, and this is 3t1 minus 3. Okay, so this is 3t square by 4 is equal to 4 by 3, and this will come out t minus t1 upon tt1, and this is t1 minus t. ओके, इससे कैंसिल होके माइनस साइन आ जाएगा, तो 3t by 4 is equal to minus of 4 by 3 tt1. तो फाइनली t1 कितना आ रहा है? t1 will come out minus 16 upon 9 t square. ये आंसर. ओके, next one is the area of the triangle formed by the tangent on the curve. देखो क्वेश्चन क्या है कि y is equal to x square plus bx plus c. This is the curve. This is a quadratic parabola, and tangent at 1, 1. Let this is the parabola, this is the curve, and we are drawing a tangent at 1, 1. At 1, 1. And this tangent is making an area of 2 square units with coordinate axis. So first find what is the equation of tangent. So find derivative first. dy by dx is equal to 2x plus b, and dy by dx at 1, 1 2a plus. Okay, so find the x square plus bx and 2x plus b, 2 plus b. It will come out 2 plus b. The equation y minus 1 is equal to b plus 2 x minus 1. This is the equation of tangent. And this tangent, this line with coordinate axis create an area of a triangle 2 square units. Any line, let this is a line ax plus by plus c. Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. And this line with coordinate axis making in a triangle OAB. The area of this triangle, you should remember, 2c square upon 2ab. C square upon 2ab. Okay. So in this line will be b plus 2x minus y, and minus of b plus 1 is equal to 0. So this is a, this is b minus 1, this is c. We are comparing on general line. So area is what? C square upon 2ab. So b plus 1 का square upon 2 into b plus 2 into minus 1 का mod is equal to 2 square units. Area कितना है? 2. तो from here you can take two cases. b plus 1 का whole square का mod है, तो ये तो b plus 1 ही आएगा. देखो b plus 1 का square है, and this will come out 4b plus 2. There are two cases आएंगे, एक बार प्लस साइन लो, एक बार माइनस साइन लो. तो इंटीग्रल वैल्यू ऑफ b you will get -3. In both cases, integral of b, integral value of b will get -3. Okay.